Hello and welcome back. Today I saw one blog post where there was one question using JavaScript, and the question was asked in OLX interview, and the question was find the output of JavaScript code. So the JavaScript code was really simple but interesting. So I thought to share with you all. So the question was find the output. So first of all, there was one variable length, and the value was 20. Okay. After that, there was one function count, and it was logging that value. So console dot log, and it was logging the value of this dot length. Okay. After that, there was one array called data, and that array had total three elements. First element was the function count. Second element was some string called we can add taste, and the third element was okay, let me save. And third element was 1 2 3. Okay. So the question was what will be the output of data of 0, and after that there was a function call, let's say hey. Okay. And what will be the output? So can you guess what will be the output here? Take a few moments and see what will be the output here. Let's see. Let me open the console and reload here. Let me save again. So output is 3 because we have total 3 elements here in the array. But how actually this code works? Let's see step by step. So first line is this variable length is equal to 20, right? So in browser, where declares a property on the global object. In browsers it's window. So window dot length will not be 20. It refers to the number of frames in the window. Normally it's 0. But length as a variable is 20 in the current scope. So in the current scope, the variable length is 20. Let's come to this function count. So here this depends on how the function is called. It does not refer to the variable length unless the function is called in a context where this points to an object having length. Again, this depends on how the function is being called. It does not refer to the variable length unless the function is called in a context where this points to an object having length. Right? So this is function count. Data of 0 is the function count. So if you log this data of 0, it will be this array element, first element, and that is function count, right? So here data 0 is called as a function like this. So it is being called as a function, but the calling context is data because of the way the property is accessed. So this inside count refers to data. Here, this inside this count function refers to data. So data dot length is 3 because the array has 3 elements, right? So this is simple but interesting. So why we don't have 20 or undefined as an output? Because this 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 is not the global object here. It's the array data because the function is called as a data of 0 here, data of 0. So this dot length is equal to data dot length, and here we have 3. What we can do, we can add one more element here. Let's say taste 2, right? And it will be 4. So output will be 4 because we have now 4 elements. So this was really simple JavaScript function, but it's interesting when you go step by step, you will get the better idea. All right. Hope you learned something new today. If you think it is something that can be helpful in your interview journey, you can give me a like on this video, as well as please subscribe if you are new to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.